Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here. I want to share with you a way that you can actually 10 times your income right now. Okay, so you've probably heard that, to make more money, you've got to do several things. You've either got to sell more to the customers you currently have, or you got to get more customers, or you've got to sell at a higher price to the customers you have now. So I'm going to tell you a method here that we do, and it's amazing how many people miss this. They don't do it, and it costs them tons and tons of money. And the reason I'm thinking about this is because I just got off the phone with a client, and she's been doing e-commerce for 4 years now, and she's been making a little bit of money. She makes a couple $100,000 a year, so not a whole lot of money, but she's making okay money. And the problem she's had was that it's just not enough profit. She's working really hard. So what she does is she sells her customers a product, and then it ends. That's it. And that's just craziness, because it shouldn't end, right? There's a couple things you need to do. First off, when you sell somebody a product, as soon as they buy that product, it should go to another page, and that page should sell them a higher price product. And if they don't buy that product, it should go to another page that sells them a little bit lower price product. So what you're doing is you're giving them some choices there. And the next thing you should do, and this seems so painfully obvious, but she wasn't doing it for the past 4 years, is collect names, because you need to send them emails. And if you send them emails of related products, guess what? A portion of them will buy those products. It's really that simple. So here, let me spell it out this way. Here you go. Your first product right here, okay? Your first product, you make $10 profit. That's where most people stop, is right there, $10 profit. But the thing is, if you offer these upsells, right? If you offer the second step to the checkout process, you're gonna make another $20 on average, okay? This is what we do, about another $20 on average by offering these extra things. And then on the last step is your emails, and your email sequence will earn you another 70% or another $70. So you take this customer that you were normally making $10 on, and now you're making $100 on them. And guess what? Now you can pay more for your lead. So let's say you were paying $10 for your lead and you were making no money. Now you're paying $10 for your lead and you're making 90 bucks. It's really that simple. So don't miss these steps. Make sure you're doing these. If you don't know how to set these up, find somebody to help you set them up. But if you'll do that, you can 10 times your sales. So it's that easy. I'll see you in the next video.